Welcome to the Drawing.
Today we are gonna draw a castle.
And you're gonna need a pencil because we're gonna erase some stuff.
Let's get started. First, we're gonna draw some towers.
You're gonna draw like a line like in the middle of your paper. And then a short little line close to it. And run from there and up there you're gonna draw. There. And then you're gonna draw like a curve.
Now we're gonna draw the other tower.
And then draw a line, and then draw a curve at the top, and go down too. Then you're gonna draw a big one up. Now you're gonna put like a circle right there. And then you're gonna draw a line up, and then a line up, and then you're gonna draw one of those. And then a big point at the top of it. Then you're gonna draw a line
There.
and then another.
Draw like a line right next to it. This is gonna be like kind of like the wall.
Then you're gonna go down.
Right there. We're gonna do the same thing we done on the other side.
And draw that. Then we're gonna draw
Another line.
there. And then we're gonna draw that and then back in. And then a line right there.
Here's how we make a castle wall.
Okay? First, you're gonna draw
Draw
lines
lines.
like that. And then you're gonna draw
another line.
lines on the other one.
Now we're gonna erase
it,
some.
like right there.
Yeah.
Erase that one. Then you're gonna erase that. Erase a down line and then an up line. So like if you did that one, you'll erase the one you didn't erase. And then you'll erase that. And then you'll erase that. Really good. And then we'll erase that. And then that. And that. Now we're going to
draw
lines
lines
towards
towards
the
the
inside.
inside.
Now we're going to draw a line, and another line, and then a line, and then that line, and that line, and that, and that, and then that, and that, and then one right there. Then you're going to draw a line like that, and then you're going to draw 3D. You're going to go down, and then to there, and that will go there, that will go there, and then that's wall's 3D.
Next we'll do
the tower in the middle. Will come like right there. You won't draw like from there. You'll start like right here. And then one right here. And
Draw a
then
line over right there.
draw a little one here. And then there. And then like you gotta draw it slanted. And you'll draw that and then a line here. And then you'll draw a line.
Yeah, line connected right there.
And a line right there. And then you're going to draw lines right there. Just like we did when we did those other castle walls. Gonna do like you did right there. And you're gonna take 3D. That and then go here, and then go there, and go here, and then there, and then that, and that, and that, and there. Make it correct.
Now we're gonna do windows. Now we're gonna draw like there.
You're gonna draw like 3D lines.
And we're gonna like darken this.
Then you're gonna draw a flag.
Top.
Short little pole line. And you're gonna draw a swervy line. Okay, now we're gonna do the door. A line right there, and then a line in there, and then back in
I'm
like
gonna erase
at the top.
a little of that.
And then you draw a line in there, and a little line right there. And you're gonna draw a bunch of lines. And you're gonna draw like
Okay, that's the drawbridge.
and then we're gonna draw a go.
This is gonna be the moat.
And then you're gonna right there, in to there. And then you're gonna draw lines there.
There.
And you're gonna
There.
Lines there, and then a little one, and then more, and
Right there.
draw a big line in and bigger.
Right.
And then you draw that.
All right there.
And then you
That's
can
the
draw
path.
2 little lines for the path on your paper.
I'll draw
And
a little
right
one right there.
around.
You can add extra windows or something. How about we draw one?
You can draw one in there, and up, and then down. And blacken that up. And then you draw one in there.
Add extra texture to it. And you can erase that right there. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe for more.